Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you a very simple way to start investing your money with Revolut application. So if you want to invest your money with Revolut, you need to watch this video. So if you don't understand what I'm talking about you investing in the stock market. So if you want to invest in Apple, you want to invest in Tesla, you want to invest in Google, you want to invest in Netflix, you can do it from this video. So just watch this video to know how you can invest in those companies and start making money from them if you want to. So let me just head over to my smartphone and show you the application that you can use to start doing your investment, which is called Revolut. If you want to use Revolut, you just need to click on the first link in the description. It's going to take you to Revolut. So download the application, fill up your account, and you are good to go. So let me open my Revolut account. So as you can see on the screen here, guys, this is my Revolut account. So once your Revolut account open, the first thing you need to do is to deposit money into your Revolut account. So to deposit money is very simple. What you just need to do is to click on this icon where it said add money, and it's going to pop up this page. Enter the amount of money that you want to add to your account, and you click on add money, and the money will be added to your account. So once you have deposited the money, the next thing you need to do is to start investing. So to start investing, you need to click on the investing tab here. So once you click on the invest tab, it's going to pop this up, and you are going to see everything is going to be blank for you because you are new, or if you have already invested money, you will be seeing your broker account, you will see trade, add money, withdraw, and other things here. So let me explain all those things to you in details. So let us say you want to trade. That is when you click on trade. If you want to start investing, if you want to add money to your broker account, you need to click on add money here, and you are going to select the currency that you want to add money from. Let us say if it's in dollars, you can click on dollars, and you are going to cash money from your normal account on your Revolut account into your investment account. And once the money have been deposited inside your investment account, then you need to now start investing that money. So let us say you want to withdraw the money. You can do the same thing too. Just click on the withdraw icon tab here. You click on the currency where you want to withdraw money from. You enter the amount here, and you click on withdraw. The money will be withdrawn, and it will be sent to your Revolut normal account, which is where you can use the money to do whatsoever you want. Buy things, shop, anything that you want to do. So that is how you can withdraw your money from your invested money account. So that is one thing that I want to let you know. And even if you want to withdraw the money, let us say you have already invested the money, you are trying to withdraw the money. No, you will not be able to withdraw the money. You have to sell the share that you have invested your money on to be able to withdraw the money. So you not just withdraw the money from that stock that you have invested your money on. No, it doesn't work like that. You need to withdraw the money. You need to sell your share, and your share will be they will deposit the money into your broker account, let us say within 2 or 3 days, and from that your broker account you can now cash the money into your normal Revolut accounts. So that is one thing that I want to let you know. And at the bottom here you will see commodities, where you will find gold, silver, Ethereum, bonds. That is where you'll find them here. So when I click on bonds here, commodities here, you can see on my commodities tab here, there is nothing. I have not invested in anything. Let us say I want to invest in gold. I will click on trade, and it's going to show me the commodity that I can invest my money on if I want to invest my money on them. You can see gold, silver, platinum, and if you invest in gold, you are not going to have the gold. Let us say they are not going to send you that gold into your address or into that your house, into your house or into that your address. You get it? They will not send it to you. So it's going to be a virtual investment. It's going to be a virtual gold, which you cannot touch it, but you own this gold, and anytime you want to withdraw it, you can withdraw this gold and convert it into cash and use it to do whatsoever that you want. So that is one thing that I want to let you know here. So if you invest in gold, your money will be growing in value as long as gold is increasing in value. So that is one thing that I want to let you know here. So let us go back and invest in stocks. That is the main purpose of this video. So to invest in stocks, you need to click on the area where it said trade, and here is going to show the stocks that is available on this platform, which is called Trading 212. So you can see the most viewed stocks. Those are the stocks that you have personally viewed, and if you scroll down here, you are going to find stocks that you can invest your money on here. So let us say we want to invest in a stock that we have in mind. Let us say we want to invest in Nvidia. We can just come here and type in Nvidia Nvidia like this, and it's going to show Nvidia stocks. All we just need to do is to click on Nvidia here. So once we click on Nvidia, what we need to do is to now buy Nvidia. So as you can see here on my Revolut account, I am not an investor to this company, which is Nvidia, on my Revolut account. So let's also want to invest. Before you invest, I want you to look at the company itself. Look at what they are saying. So look at the market cap, look at the EPS, which is the earning per share, which is $2.94. And if you look at the dividend, is 0.04 cents, which 0.04%, which for me is very, very good. So it's something that you need to pay attention to: the market cap, the EPS, and the dividend. Dividend is the amount of money you get out of the investment that you have done with a particular company. So that is one thing that I want you to understand. Dividend can be paying out, they can be paying out dividend every month, every 6 months, every 1 year. So it depends on the company that you have invested your money on. So that is what I want to let you know here. So let us say we want to buy this share. You need to click on buy, and it's going to pop this up. You are going to enter the amount of money you want to buy, or if you want to buy one share of this company, you can see the price of the share, which is $110 and $110.69. So this is the price of this share right now. So if you want to buy it, I'll just click on review order, and the order will be placed. I will now have the share of this company, which is called Nvidia. So every single day or every single month, if this company is growing in value, I'll be making money. This company will be making money. So everybody is going to be making money. So that is how you can invest your money if you want to invest your money in this platform. So that is one thing that I want to let you know, guys. So let us say, for example, you want to invest in other company. You click on trade to, just the same process again. You can come here and search for, let us say we search for Netflix. You can see Netflix have opened. We want to invest in stocks for Netflix, not the bonds of Netflix. Bonds for Netflix is very expensive. You need to focus on the stocks. Click on Netflix stocks. It's going to open here. You can see that the stocks of Netflix currently right now is $919.69. If I want to invest in Netflix, like what I told you, don't forget, scroll down and look at what they are going to pay you as an investor. Look at their market cap, the EPS, the dividend, and that is one thing that I want to let you know. Sometimes you need to look at the expense ratio. Some of those shares, they don't have expense ratio. Some of them have, but a lot of all those companies like shares, they don't have. A lot of them don't take a lot of money from the to be an investor to that particular company, which is the amount you pay to be an investor to that particular company. Some company don't take a lot of money. So that is one thing that I want to let you know. You can see here that this company don't have dividend, which is Netflix. You can see the dividend yield is 0.0000%, which for me, I would not recommend you to go and invest your money in this type of company. So if we want to invest, we need to click on the same process. We can come here. You can see the price, $919 69 cents again. And we can click on review order. We'll place this order if we have the minimum amount to be an investor to this company. So you know now how you can invest your money if you want to invest your money in this platform. So that is one thing that I want to let you know, guys. So let us say, for example, you want to invest in Apple. You can just come here. You can search for APPL. I think, yeah, APPL, which is Apple. You can see it. You have opened here, APPL, Apple. Click on that. And here you will see the price of Apple. Follow the same process and buy the share of Apple if you want to buy the share. So one thing that I want to still let you know, when you are investing in those companies, one thing that you need to do is to look at the company itself and see the vision of this company. What is their next goal in the last 5 years or in the next 10 years? What is their plan? What are they projecting? So all these other things, that is the thing that you need to focus on. And when you are doing your investment, you need to invest in big brands. You need to invest in big company, because it's difficult for those big companies to go bankrupt. But small companies, it's very easy for them to go bankrupt, because you will not put your money in a place where the owner of this company is afraid or is having doubt on himself, or they are not planning, they are losing a lot of money. So look at the money that they have lost in the last 5 years, in the last year, and look at the next 10 years or the next 2 years, next 5 years. What is their projection? What is their plan? What is their goal? What they will do? What do they want to achieve? And how are they standing out for their investors? How are they standing out? That is the thing that you need to pay attention to. So that is what I want to let you know here. Let us say, for example, you want to withdraw your money that you have invested in this company. It's very simple. Click on trade. Go to that company that you have invested your money on. So you can see here, the company that I have invested my money on here are not here. So what I need to do is to search for them. Let us say I search for, so once you search for Coca-Cola, you need to look for the Coca-Cola that you have invested your money on. So is this Coca-Cola that I have invested my money on here? So I will click on the Coca-Cola that I have invested my money on, and it's going to open up. So as you can see here, I have invested $91, which is more than the value of the one share of Coca-Cola. So when we scroll down here, you can see the amount of money that I have made from this investment that I've done with Coca-Cola. I have made a profit of $15.73. And all I need to do now, let us say I want to cash out. I want to sell my share. I want to withdraw it and go and use it to do whatsoever I want. I will click on sell here. And the next thing I need to do is to enter the amount of money that I want to withdraw. You can see here it's telling us if we want to withdraw 10%, you can enter 10%. If you want to withdraw 25%, you can withdraw 25%. If you want to withdraw 50%, you can withdraw 50%. If you want to withdraw all, you can withdraw all, which is $91, and you are paying a fee of 2 cents, which for me is good. Why am I paying this short fee? Is because I am using the premium plan of this website, or this investing platform, which is called Revolut. So I'm using the premium plan of Revolut. That is why I'm paying low fee to be an investor to those companies here. So that is what I want to let you know. Once I click on review here, it's going to review it, telling me the amount of money I'm going to pay, the amount of money I will get, and if I withdraw this money now, and the date that I'm going to expect this money. So they are going to show you everything here. So one thing that you need to do is to just click on submit, and within 2 or 3 days, the share is going to be sold out and you are going to receive your money. You can use it to do whatsoever you want, guys. So that is how you can invest your money. And if you want to still withdraw it, you can still withdraw it. So you know everything now that you need to know with this application, which is called Revolut, on this video, guys. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. If you have any question, I want you to leave me that question in the comment section, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. I want to hear what you think. If you want to learn how you can make money with affiliate marketing, you can watch this video that will pop up right now. Guys, leave me a comment. I really want to hear what you think in the comment section. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. Peace.